All right, so this is basically a short video just to show you guys if you want to do a long form, maybe audiobook, if you want to read something, if you want to do a long audio content, but you don't want to do the video, you'd rather just have a picture and just have your voice, just like I'm doing right now. Here's how to do it. So you're going to want to, first off, start with your photo. So the photo is basically going to be there the entire duration of your entire content of whatever you're making. Now, when you upload your audio, you need to make sure that you upload the correct one. Make sure you know where it is, where it's located. Boom, right there, chapter 25. And again, so I'm reading Dexter. I have one more chapter left. One more chapter left. Can you believe it? I have one more chapter left, and I'm reading this book. You guys are the reason why I'm reading this book. One chapter was really quiet. I do have to go back and re-upload that one. I do apologize. But yeah, Darkly Dreaming Dexter is actually almost finished. One more chapter until we're done. Fuck yeah, let's go. Anyways, getting back to the video editing. Like I said, you're going to put your photo, which is going to basically exist for the entire span of whatever your audio is. So like this right here, you see the timeline, right? So the timeline exists for about, let's say, 10 seconds is right here. But I have the video right here, as you can see in the middle, is 21 minutes. So how do we expand the video, the image, to span the same length as the audio timeline? We just stretch it out, baby. Just like that. We stretch it out and make it the same exact length. And then that way, no matter where you go, it looks like and also sounds like this. Darkly Dreaming Dexter. Something is wrong about you. Read some traffic. I went around to the path between the boxes. So there. So that's basically how you make a video. If you don't want to do a video, you do want to have the audio, but you just want to have like an image. Drop a comment. Let's start a conversation. If you have any questions, let me know.